Hi everyone, I'm going to start off by introducing myself. My name is Wayne Wolf. I'm a certified personal trainer through the American College of Sports Medicine. And our mandate for today is to do some upper body movements or exercises. We're going to start with the bicep curl. We're going to use that with dumbbells. We're going to hold the dumbbells at our side in a neutral hand position, which your palms will be facing your legs. And we're just going to curl the weight up and rotate it, palms up, and then return to the neutral position, rotate, back, rotate, back to the neutral position. Second curling exercise we're going to do is the hammer curl. Everything is done in a neutral hand position at your sides. You're going to raise the weight up and down, up and down, up and down. We can do all this with a band as well. Get a band out here. Your palms will be facing up for this, obviously, and you'll just curl up like this. And we'll do the neutral position with the hands facing each other from the side. Number of repetitions you want to perform is 12, and at a slow rate when you're descending to the bottom of the movement. So you'll come up on a 1, down on a 3, up on 1, down on 3, up on 1, down on 3. That's for all movements. Triceps. We're going to do 2 movements with the triceps. We're going to take a dumbbell, hold it overhead, drop the dumbbell behind your head as far as your range of motion will allow, and then straighten your elbows out. That's 1, 2, 3, and we're going to do 12 repetitions again. The other tricep movement is called a tricep kickback. We're going to lean on our bench here or a table, whatever you have available to you. We're going to hold the weight right here with your arm parallel to the ground. We're just going to extend back with the arm. No change in hand position here. Keep that arm up. That's a tricep kickback. Okay, our third movement is going to be the chest press. We're going to do that on a physio ball here. That'll be our base. Take our weights here, which are going to be dumbbells. We'll center the ball on our shoulders and feet out for stability. And we'll just basically push straight up. Rack the weight about 2 inches above your shoulders and push straight up. Again, rack again, push straight up. That's the chest press on the physio ball. You can do this also on a weight bench if you have a weight bench. Next one we're going to do is going to be an incline push-up. We're going to move this into position here. And this is just a push-up using the edge of the bench here. Push-up position, hands will be shoulder width apart, straight body, head up. Touch your chest to the bench if you can, if you have a range of motion that will allow you to do that. And we'll do 12 repetitions of those if we can. That's an incline push-up. Okay, the fourth body part we're going to work are the shoulders. Consisting of the anterior deltoid, the lateral deltoid, and the posterior deltoid. We'll start with the anterior deltoid, which is the front deltoid. We use a weight to do this, a dumbbell. We'll just grab it on the ends here, hold it at waist height, and we're going to raise up in front of us to about eye level, and then down slowly, eye level, down slowly, eye level, down slowly. Okay, we can also do this with a band. I'll take this purple band here, nice and colorful. Foot in the middle of it at the bottom. And I'm just going to use my thumbs to do this. Raise it up again, just above eye level. Again, you can use this with a band, or do it with a band, or with a dumbbell. The second movement, which is for the lateral deltoid, is called a lateral raise. Your feet will be about shoulder width apart, slightly bent position, head up, slightly bent elbows, and you'll just raise the weights to your side like this. 1, 2, 3, that's a lateral raise. The third one is a rear delt movement. It's also called the Arnold. And we'll use the dumbbells to do this. You'll start off with your palms facing backwards, racking the weight around your shoulders right here. And as you push overhead, you're going to rotate the weights towards the front or away from you. So here's the movement. Okay, that's the Arnold. Now that we've covered the four movements for the upper body, I want to talk about some frequently asked questions I get in the gym. The first one is, what weight should I use? That's a good question. It depends on your experience and your conditioning. If you're a novice, I would start out with relatively light weights, but after a few weeks of becoming acclimated to those weights, I would try to increase my weight rather quickly if you can. The second question I get a lot is, how many sets and how many reps should I do? My rep range, usually I like around 10 to 12 repetitions, preferably 12. The number of sets is normally 3 when I work with my clients. So 3 sets, 12 repetitions. 12 repetitions is a rep range that you want to be challenged by the weight that you're using. If the weight is not challenging for you, it's not really changing you. So you want to pick a weight that challenges you somewhere in the 10 to 12 rep range, and then of course for the 3 sets. The third frequently asked question I get is, how much do I rest between sets? That probably varies with age. I rest 2 minutes between sets. The younger you are, you could probably go with shorter rest periods, maybe a minute to a minute and a half. But for myself personally, I rest 2 minutes. The fourth frequently asked question is, how often should I work a body part? I would recommend that you work each body part twice a week. Now, how you do that is your schedule is, how you schedule that out is your personal preference, but try to do your arms, legs, shoulders, back, core, chest at least twice a week. So that's the frequently asked questions I get a lot in the gym.